think I'd hold it too early. I know you said not to do it too early, but I saw a dream, Tubbo, and it just...
Watched it, and now...
I didn't fuck it. Okay. Everyone, take it slow now. Where is he? Oh.
It would be... That's where we tried to revive him.
Maybe he's not
I
here.
don't think he's here. I think it was just a false alarm.
Maybe Ghost Bird just kind of died. Maybe the revive book doesn't really work, or maybe it only works like once.
Yeah.
That might have been just a one-time deal.
Oh.
See, that could be...
Oh.
Oh no.
Hello again. Is this real?
Yeah, it's real.
I feel so numb. I feel... Who the fuck is this? Who's the fuck's friend?
Take the blue. Have some blue. Calm yourself.
I've obviously... No, you don't throw that. I've obviously missed a beat here. I've missed a beat. What is happening? Why am I here?
We're at the Manberg.
Oh, fuck. Did I do that?
What? I mean...
Oh, I really did a number on this place, huh? Oh, boy. Oh, dear. Oh, no, I really did a number here. Tubbo, my man, you've been running this place? How are you? You are not dressed like a president, man. I thought I gave you a suit. What's up with this?
Like you said, you've missed a beat.
Wilbur, come here, man.
Fuck, I'm alive! Tommy, I'm alive!
You're alive?
I have spent 13 and a half years in the fucking... What is this? What is it? What have you making art? Making geometric art on the roof? I can feel...
Fuck. You didn't do this, Will. It was Dream and Techno and... Come back here. Come here right now.
Oh,
come here.
Oh,
man.
Tommy.
No, don't Tommy me. You need to go, all right? You're not welcome here.
Bliss. Oh my god,
you need to...
Where's the sun? I need to watch the sunrise. Tommy, I've waited so fucking long. Tommy, I've been waiting for over a decade. In near darkness. This is my sunrise. This is mine! I'm alive!